it's a tough time for all car manufacturers right now, of course, and Nissan is part of that group. It's going to be a tough day. They're not going to be decent results. Every car maker has seen huge declines year on year. We saw that in Q1. We'll see that again in Q2. Possibly a worse result in Q2 this year than Q1 of this year. And it's not going to get any easier in the coming months as they try to come out of this global situation that we're in. It's not easy for any car manufacturer right now, but Nissan was vulnerable going into it, and needs to really work hard to come out alive, to be honest.
I know back in the first quarter you said that globally car sales are going to fall about 14% this year. Do you think that 14% is starting to look a little bit optimistic, given the fact that we're now hitting fast forward on this transition towards a post-office economy? People are going to be commuting much less. They're going to be working from home like I am and like many millions others are right now. Do you think that spells trouble for the car market moving forward from here? And are we ever likely to reach 2017 highs in terms of sales again?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think so, to be honest. We were already forecasting a decline this year, even before COVID-19. We were forecasting a single-digit decline this year. We have seen the trend of, urbanization, more people moving to cities, more ways of getting around in cities with all the urban mobility solutions, the congestion, the air pollution, the road safety, a lot of road fatalities every year. So we were predicting a continued decline in the overall car market going into this year. And of course, COVID-19 hits, and how low do you go? And yes, minus 14 for the year. We might be looking at reducing that slightly as we go through the next few weeks and look at the second half of the year and the prospects for that. But clearly, it's still such an unknown as to how countries are coming out of lockdown. Some countries or cities are going back into some kind of lockdown as local infections rise. So it's such an unknown, such a tough market to forecast anyway. But given the situation we're in, just makes it even harder. And there's a lot of car makers out there, a lot of car brands, almost too many, to be honest. Very hard for consumers to choose from one to another, and there are dozens to choose from in many markets around the world. There's good opportunities for consumers to find good deals at the moment. There's promotions, there's discounting, but that doesn't help the car makers too much.